What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at market performance to see how we've been doing for the past 24 hours. After that, we'll look at prices in details. And right after that, we will look at my positions. Basically, what you're about to see, like I do every day, I show you my positions and you compare them with yours to see if we are going up, are we going down, are we going sideways, you know the drill. And again, if you're new here, the reason I do this is because as a trader, you need to monitor the market every day. That will give you an idea. That will give you an idea. If you want to, do you want to get in? Do you want to get out of position? Do you want to add? Do you want to take profit? So things like that. That's why I do this every day. But yeah, before we do that, I know. A lot of people still don't believe it when I tell you guys that KASPA is the real Bitcoin, right? A lot of people still don't see it. It is still like the taboo. It's like something you're talking and you're talking about, and everybody like go, ooh, no. Everybody's doing that, okay? It's okay. It's okay if you feel that way, because I know very soon I will prove it to you. Very soon I will be like, yep, I told you so. Oh my God. Come on. Yeah, I'll be like, yep, I told you so. Because everything is beginning to line out. Everything is just is playing out exactly the way it was supposed to do. Okay, forget about the price. Although everybody's looking, it's something like everybody cannot stop looking at when they see the price go down, and everybody be like, whoa, what's happening? Okay, it is just human nature. I usually tell you guys, if you cannot stomach seeing your position less than 50% or negative 50%, negative 60%, do not trade KASPA. Although when you miss out, do not blame anybody. In this world, if you don't learn how to take the risk, you will never go forward. If you're afraid of losing every time, you will never go forward. It is what it is. Okay? So now back to the subject. There's a lot of things that points out. I've been pointing them out every video that I can to show you guys that KASPA is the real Bitcoin. There is no way. I don't see why you can't see it. I don't see it. Okay? Now, one, Bitcoin was supposed to be everyday money, everyday transaction, everyday, like easy access. Like I could go to a store and use my Bitcoin to buy my cup of coffee. I could do that. That's what it was designed for. But try to go to the store today. Try to go to the store to buy you a cup of coffee with Bitcoin, and you tell me the experience. First, it is slow. That's number one. Second, it's more expensive. So if a cup of coffee was going to cost you $2 using fiat, using Bitcoin, it will probably going to cost you around $20 because the fees are high. Okay. And on top of that, you're going to sit there because the confirmation, come on. Because the transaction confirmation is slow. Now, compare that to KASPA. KASPA is fast, and they're even still working on the speed. These guys are 10 blocks per second is one thing. These guys are even trying to push it to 100 blocks per second. That's what KASPA is. So instant, like if I pay right now, you get it right now. There's no two ways about it. Okay? That is what Bitcoin was supposed to do. And then the fees, try to experiment it. Okay, send your KASPA from one wallet to another one. Look at that. As soon as you send it, bam, it's right there. And look at the fees. How much it's going to cost you to send it? Almost nothing. See, that is what I can tell you guys so many things, so many difference. And somebody the other day was talking about, yeah, KASPA is silver, Bitcoin is gold. And I still have the same question till today. Why is KASPA silver? Why are you guys saying that the store of value is Bitcoin and not KASPA cannot be that? I've researched it, I've looked at it, and I've come up to only one thing. Because of the market cap. Market cap of Bitcoin, although a lot of people, that's another mistake a lot of people make. They think that because Bitcoin is almost $1 trillion or above $1 trillion market cap, it cannot be manipulated, which is a big lie. It's a big lie. Just look at what's happening right now. Look at what's happening right now with the Bitcoin price. It goes to 100,000 and then bam, it goes to 110 and then bam, down again. You think that you and me, our little money, we cannot manipulate Bitcoin? Big institutions, they are the people doing it. They are the people doing it. They are crashing it on purpose. They are doing that on purpose. And then you think that they cannot do it? Like they, come on. So the idea that Bitcoin is the store of value due to the market cap is all a lie. It's all a lie. Again, for me, I don't think any coin can be that store of value. If you want to be a store of value, you need to be something that is difficult to move, something that is difficult to transfer somewhere. That could be the store of value. But then you need to have the day-to-day use. Okay? Something that is difficult to move, like gold. If you have you store your money in gold, your $1 million worth of gold, it will be difficult for somebody to steal that from you. Understand it? Because like, how are you going to carry $1 million worth of gold from one country to another one that easily? So that, for me, that should be a store of value, something like that. Not KASPA, not Bitcoin. But now, for some people, if you feel like, oh, Bitcoin is a store of value because of the market cap, I got news for you. I got news for you. Wait for KASPA to get that smart contract. As soon as it gets it, that lie of market cap being because of that is going to be, I want to see, guys, I just want to see what the Bitcoin maxis are going to be are going to start throwing as why KASPA shouldn't be a store of value when we start getting to those market cap, $1 trillion market cap, just like Bitcoin, or even over. Because like everything has started to happen. Like I told you guys, soon people are beginning to realize, like, okay, Bitcoin is at $95,000. Do you have $95,000? How many of you do have it? Okay, question is, okay, what's next? What else can I buy that will make me more money? People are starting to look at KASPA. They have started to look at KASPA. Institutions have started to look at KASPA. And that idea, people telling you like, oh, it will take forever for the ecosystem to take off. Everybody telling you that, I don't think they know what they're talking about. They just had a meet and greet over there in Dubai. And guess what these people are going after? The big money. They are now showing like everybody else have a problem with the SWIFT system. Everybody has a problem with that. If you want to move your money around the world, want to do these transactions, first of all, the old system is slow. Okay, so they have started showing that to the people that rule the world, the people which is the energy sector. You understand? The energy sector rules the world. So they have started showing them the gigawatt coin. And what is the market cap of the energy sector in the entire world? The oil companies and all of them. So I'm telling you guys, it is going to happen, and many of you will sit there like, oh, what the hell just happened? It's going to happen, and you think that the $1 trillion market cap cannot be attained. You are delusional, because if you put the energy sector, how much is the energy sector? What's the market cap of it? If you put it on KASPA, what do you think will happen to KASPA itself? I gave you an example the other day. Ethereum on its own is worthless. Any coin, not just Ethereum. Solana, Sui, you name them, they are worthless. But once you start building on them, the TVL starts to grow up, the market cap explodes. And what do you think will happen to KASPA? Depends also on how much TVL is locked. I mean, total value locked on the coin. Okay? If you start locking $1 trillion assets on KASPA, what do you think will happen to the market cap? So yeah, everybody else, they don't show you those things. They don't tell you that. For everybody, come on. For everybody, Bitcoin is hard to move. Bitcoin market cap is hard to go down, this and that. Guys, the same big money that is investing in Bitcoin right now, wait until they start eyeing KASPA. They are not even far away. They have already started talking about ETFs on KASPA. Why? Because they see the potential of how much money is going to flow into KASPA. I keep saying it, like for me, it is not, how do I put it? For me, I see KASPA taking the number 2 spot or even the number 1 spot on the crypto ranking in a record time. Because again, once you start asking yourself, what is it that Bitcoin does that KASPA cannot do? What is it? There is absolutely nothing. But again, when you start asking yourself, what is it that KASPA does that Bitcoin cannot do? Now you go. Everything starts to fall in place, right? Everything starts to fall in place. Now, once the smart contracts get locked in, speed get ramped up from 10 blocks per second to 100 blocks per second, then you are going to see smart contracts right now. Guys, I don't believe that thing they're talking about, oh, with smart contracts going to take long to be perfected and all that, I don't think it's true. I think they're just trying to keep everything calm. Because if they did not have smart contracts, think about this. If they did not have smart contracts almost ready or even ready, why are they going to start promoting, banking system on KASPA, gigawatts on KASPA? They say all this stuff that they are promoting that really need smart contracts. Understand? Seeing that they are promoting all that stuff already to the big money, to all that stuff, come on. Seeing that they are promoting all that stuff, it makes me think that they already have the smart contracts ready. And I think what they're waiting for is to implement that 10 BPS, the speed. Once they ramp it up and it works perfectly, smart contracts are going to get implemented right away. That's what I think is happening. Okay. Now, if that if that doesn't make you bullish enough, guys, listings. I think we're about to see KASPA on Binance and Coinbase, either or even both of them, in this January. We're about to see it. And everybody else keep talking about, yeah, we cannot do this, we cannot do that. Guys, KASPA went to $4 billion without those 2 exchanges. Imagine what will happen when KASPA gets on Binance and Coinbase. That market cap will catch on fire. And imagine when that TVL start getting locked due to the smart contracts. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't tell you. The opportunity is right there, right in front of you. Don't say I didn't warn you. And that's why I'm telling you that KASPA is the real Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin 2.0. And it's going to, I'm going to sit here, just like I told you earlier. I'm going to sit here when it starts to happen. I'll be like, yep, I told you so. I will sit here and I'll tell you that. Now, everybody else running away from risk. Nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to do that. Well, that is up to them. Like I said, not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. I am packing my bags on KASPA, no matter who says what. And again, if you have a problem with risk, I think this ain't the channel for you. I'm risking it because, like I told you guys, I'm trying to make money for myself, my children, and my generations. That's what I'm doing. So, yeah. So, yeah, it is right in front of you. If you want to look at it, that's fine. You don't want to look at it, that's also fine. But I hope you are not going to be one of the people sitting there and be like, crap, this guy was telling us for months and months and months about this, and I overlooked it. Now look at it. Crap, KASPA is up there, 20, 30, 40, even $100, and I didn't do nothing about it. See? like I usually say, just buy 10,000 Kaspas, 10,000, and keep them on the side. They're not going to make you a millionaire, but they're going to put your foot into that circle. They're going to serve as the beginning, okay, for something bigger for you. I don't know about you, but yeah, that's what I'm working on. I'm trying to get as much Kaspa as possible, okay? Anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. A lot of people are now talking about altcoin season has started. And again, I will tell you again, altcoin season has not started. What you're looking at right now is an impulse move, guys. It's an impulse move. In every bull run, Christmas usually have a rally and then it will dump. It's an impulse move. There's a move before the real round 5 begins, okay? Anyways, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire Journey 2024-2025 edition. Now, if you look at this, King KASPA first, KAS, right here. For the past hour, look at that. It's sitting right flat. It's going nowhere. For the past day, KASPA is up 5.3%, 16.2% down on the week, 21.3% down on the month, and 14.7%, okay, up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.1 billion. That's what I'm telling you guys. Hold your horses, okay? I will show you in a little bit why I'm telling you this. And now, look at the 24 hours of volume traded, sitting at $108.16 million, okay? Now, say the price is still at 12 cents. For me, like I said, I think KASPA is going to go down. We still have a lot of downwards force. I think I'm expecting it to go down to probably that 11 or 10 cents, probably 10 and a half, 11 cents, thereabout. Now, we look at Quant, people's hater. Everybody else hating Quant, not knowing that's where the money is, okay? Look at that, the same thing. Excuse me, let me restart this app. I think something is not right with it. Right here, let me restart this and I will start this again. QNT right there. Let me open that. Okay, yeah, it's correct. I thought something was wrong. Anyways, looking at Quant for the past hour, we are down 0.1%, 12% up on the day, 12.9% down the week, 15% up on the month, 16.3% down the year. Again, pay attention to that number, guys. Looking at the market cap, we are sitting at $1.69 billion and $50.95 million volume traded for the past 24 hours. Price is sitting at $117, okay? That's a good one you got to keep an eye on. Now, look at Jasmy, the Japanese Bitcoin. Jasmy, for the past hours, again, just like the rest, either 0.1 to 0, is just laying flat. On the day, we have, excuse me, let me just to make sure. I don't think this app is up. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, but I like to restart it and look at it again. JAS, okay, here. Oh, okay, it's correct. For the past hour, we are laying flat. It's not moving, okay? And we do have 9.4% up on the day, 19.4% down on the week, 33.6% up on the month, and 401% up in the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.72 billion, and the 24 hours volume traded is sitting at $214.91 million. The price is at 3.5 cents. Again, for me, Jasmy, looking at it, I will show you guys in a minute. I think Jasmy is going to go down. I think we're the signals that I'm looking at is showing me that probably Jasmy is going to go down to that retest that 2.8 cents again. Okay, if we can hold that 2.8 cents, we probably might be going back down to that 1.9. But anyways, let's see, and I'm monitoring the market and see how everything is progressing. Anyways, now let's go look at Cubic again, guys. I started including Cubic because Cubic, guys, it is a rare opportunity. Very, very rare opportunity, guys. This is how money is made. It's a lot risky, but guys, is what we call high risk, high rewards, because this thing right here is a layer one. That's the number one thing that goes for it. And number two is an AI project. You guys already know the narrative. So just like KASPA, I'm telling you guys, once this thing start getting TVL locked into it, you will regret not having it. But anyways, for the past hour, Cubic is down 1.9%, 0.9% up on the day, 25.5% down on the week, 73.2% down on the month, and the year, they don't even have the numbers for the yearly yet. This is how new you are in this project. Sitting at a market cap of $374 million. Guys, look at that market cap. And in a couple of months, I'll be back. We'll be looking at that market cap again, just like I started with KASPA, and I'm telling you about this project right now. Anyways, the total volume processed or traded in the last 24 hours is sitting at $11.08 million. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices in little details, okay? Because like I'm telling you, this pump you're looking at right now is just a Christmas pump. I think this thing is going to come back down. Anyways, now looking at trading view, let's go back here. Trading view, okay? This is King KASPA, okay? King KASPA, and we are on the hourly chart. This is where the whole thing starts to make how do I say it? It starts to make a lot of sense, okay? If you look at this chart, you will understand something. Every time, oh come on, let me try to move it this way, right here. Okay, I'll try to zoom it out to show you guys. Okay, come on, look here, grab my arrow. Okay, this never fails. Whenever a chart comes in, we at least normally need to have 2 touches on either direction. Okay, like you see, we're broken. This was the first touch. This is first touch up. So we've had 1 down, 1 up. This has to come down to touch the bottom first and then go up, touch it again. Okay, now when it goes to touch up the second time, that is when we either form any bullish structure, maybe a W, maybe a rising, a falling wedge, whatever thing that we are forming. Okay, so this pump I'm looking at right now, guys, this thing is not convincing me, because we had the first touch down, first touch up. We need to have it first touch also down. I mean, second touch down, and then starts to go. That's what we need to have. And not just only that, look at the moving average. We are free falling downwards. Okay. And another thing, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. We're still on the hourly. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that. See the moving ribbon? Look at how high the price is and look at how low the moving ribbon is. Even though it has started to turn green. Okay, when it starts to turn green, yeah, it's a bullish move. But guys, I'm not convinced that this is going to take KASPA higher. I think it needs to come back down a little bit before taking off from there. Therefore, although I'm already in my positions on Bydfi and Phemex, on Margex, I told you guys, they don't let me scale it up. So I got to be careful when I enter my positions there. I have my buy orders, which I will show you in a little bit. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at right now. I don't think this price action is, I don't think it's trustworthy. Okay, I think this is just a pump for the Christmas, and after that Christmas or even before that, we are going to see it come back down. Just like you're looking at Bitcoin right now, lingering around $95,000. I think Bitcoin needs to come down. My own take, Bitcoin is going to go down to probably $90,000 or even lower. Let's see. I think there's a lot of support at $90,000. And if that happens, it's going to crash the whole market just like it always does. Okay. So if you look at it on the 4 hourly, look at the 4 hours here. See, we are still spreading. Look at the ribbon. It's spreading up on the 4 hour. Look at how far the moving average is. Okay. So a lot of you will argue that, yeah, the ribbon is spreading and maybe it's going to start to go upwards. Yep, you can have that. But the thing is, look at the moving average. Guys, moving average is too far above. It's too far above. Although price always get attracted to the moving average, it's too far. If it was somewhere close by here, then yes, I would be like, yeah, maybe we'll climb on top of the moving average and use that as support and starts to go. Now, this is too far, guys. And plus, it is still, look at it, still like falling. So, yeah, we're probably going to have us a rejection somewhere here. Come back down, retest this at that 11 cents, 10.5, 11 cents. And then this time, take off like a bullet. And another thing that you have to also notice, it is very, very funny that the price of Bitcoin is going down and all coins are pumping. Something is not right somewhere. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to pay attention to the price action, or like I said, I'm looking for entry points. I'm going to pay attention unless if something changes, then yes, I will get into the into my positions on Margex, because I already have positions on Bydfi and Phemex already. Those I'm not worried about those. Now, if you look at it on the daily, okay, look at it on the daily, you need to always zoom out, okay? Again, this is the reason why I think that this price action, this is another reason why I think that this price action is not valid. Look at the moving average. It just turned red, okay? And look at how, the moving ribbon, both moving ribbon and moving average, they are up there. The moving ribbon just turned red. That is a big confirmation of me that is telling me like, okay, I don't think this is over with, okay? I think this thing is going to be like, you know how we fell too fast? This is what we call a dead cat bounce. It's going to bounce a little bit and then continue downwards to try to touch the support on this, whatever it's going to be at, probably 10.5 or 10 cents. Before even taking off, and it will give it chance, okay? By the time it does that, it will give the moving ribbon and the moving average chance to be somewhere down there for them to it will give this moving ribbon and moving average chance for them to be somewhere down here, and then the price will use them as a stepping stone, like bounce on them, and then we start the upward movements. So yeah, that is what I am looking at right now in the price of KASPA, and I'm kind of sitting on the sideline on my Margex account. You guys already know, like I've said so many times, my Phemex and my Bydfi, I'm already on my trades, because those let me scale my position up and not have to worry about liquidation. Right now, Margex, I cannot do that because Margex will not allow me to do it. Anyways, now let's go look at, come on, let me drop this down first. And then we go look at Quant, QNT. This is the 1 hour. Now let's go look at Quant. QNT. Here. QNT is a little different, guys. The reason why I'm saying QNT is a little different is like Quant, the regulations are coming in 2025. So Quant has a bullish momentum behind it compared to KASPA. I told you guys remember yesterday when I was telling you guys about this, I said 2025 is almost here. Quant is going to pump. Okay? Quant going down right now does not make any sense at all to me. It doesn't there's no way you look at it and you see Quant, going down in price making any kind of sense. It doesn't, because regulations are almost here. By 2025, banking institutions, they all need to be regulatory compliant. Therefore, Quant is going to start pumping because people are going to start buying. I told you guys a couple months ago, supply shock is coming for Quant, right? So yeah, this is the 1 hourly chart. And as you guys see, I told you guys, look at this, okay? From yesterday, one of my videos, I was telling you guys about it. We came down, the support, okay? Support at 100, 105. We came back, got supported on it. You guys also remember, I used to tell you guys there was a big resistance at 110. Go look at my videos. The videos are right there. So yeah, look at that. So, and another thing, we are now battling the moving average. Look at the moving ribbon. It's just starting to turn green. And we are battling the moving average. Target is here, 125. That's also a target I measured. I told you guys a lot of times that we needed a weekly close above it. And once we closed above it, it confirms, okay, that 164 is the next target, okay? Once we close a weekly or even a daily candle above 164, you're about to see Quant at all-time high, okay? Quant is playing the way it's supposed to, although we had this little manipulation going down here. This price dropping did not make sense to me. You guys remember. Again, look, ribbon is already turning green upwards, and now we already started to touch the moving average. So yeah, I'm expecting Quant to keep on moving upwards, okay? So if you look at it on the 4 hourly, look at it on the 4 hourly. This is what I was telling you guys, that this confirmed bullish momentum. We are almost breaking above the moving average, almost breaking above the moving ribbon. This is something different from what KASPA is doing. That's why I'm telling you guys, I believe KASPA is a fake out. It's going to go way down again to probably 11 or 10.5 cents. Compared to Quant, look at what Quant is doing right now. Quant is breaking above the moving average and above the moving ribbon, okay, to go and try to touch that 125. And once it does, by then it will give chance for the moving ribbon to flip around, turn green, and we start to go. So yeah, Quant right now, look at that. It's a W forming, and it's at the very, very resistance, okay? So once Once quant breaks this, okay, that means 125 is next. 125 with the daily candle close above it, then we go to 164. Okay, so yeah, everything is playing normally for quant. For me, like I said, all I would just do on the side, because I already have my positions on, I would just sit on the sideline and watch. That's all I can do, no more, no less. That's how simple it is. Now, if you look at Jasmine, Jasmine is another one. I'm still having, the price action on Jasmine, because everything is still correlated with Bitcoin. So Jasmine's price action, I have a little bit problem with it, because we don't know what Bitcoin wants to do. Okay, you don't know what it wants to do. If Bitcoin should pump today, you will see Jasmine starts to go up. If Bitcoin drops, you will see Jasmine starts to drop. And a very good example about it is what you're looking at right now. Bitcoin pumped from $93,000 to $95,000 today, and look at Jasmine. Jasmine has also pumped to 3.5 cents. So yeah, for Jasmine, I'm just going to sit on the sideline and watch. I want to see what this Christmas pump is going to do. Although for me, like I'm telling you guys, Jasmine is going down. Like if you look at the price structure for Jasmine, even on the daily, let me take you on the daily right quick. I think it will make a lot more sense. Look at the price structure on the daily. The next fib retracement point is at 2.8 cents. That is where the next fib retracement is. So even if we go up, okay, look at this. Let me take this right here. My RC. Even if price goes up, okay, breaks above 3.8 to the golden pocket, okay, 4.2. I don't think we're gonna get there. I think we're gonna get rejected at 3.8, and then down we go. So yeah, right here is gonna be the next support. The next support is going to be right here, that 2.8, 2.5 cents. That is a lot of momentum that Jasmine can gather from there and take off. And another thing is, if you go look at the MACD and the RSI of Jasmine, the daily is still bearish. That's another thing that I'm telling you guys. The daily is still very bearish. Even the weekly is still very bearish. So I am watching Jasmine's price slowly. Like I said, my positions are ready on Phemex and Bydfi. I want an entry on Jasmine on Margex. Okay, so that's why I'm watching the price. And if you follow me on my X account, excuse me, let me go here. Yeah, if you follow me on my X account, you will know when I enter my positions. If they don't get triggered automatically, I will enter them manually, and I will let you guys know when I do it. So yeah, you gotta follow me on my X account if you want to know. So yeah, that's everything that's happening on right now on the price wise. Okay, the only one I see bullish going up right now is Quant. The rest of them, like Jasmine and the KASPA, I think yeah, we still have a little bit leg down first before it takes off, for the races. So yeah, that's what's happening right there. Now let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we do that, guys, again, I do not condone leverage trading. Okay, just buy your coins on the spot and sell them when you feel you've made enough money. Please do not go do leverage trading if you don't have experience, because you can lose your money pretty quick. Okay, but if you want to venture into it, like I said, you need to take the risk. Okay, down below I do have the links for my Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex. Okay, sign up on those. Once you sign up, you will get free money. They're giving thousands and thousands of dollars right now if you meet their deposit bonus. Once you meet that, what will happen is that, guys, you start trading. Don't use all the money. Like I always say, start trading with $10, $20, $30. If you can turn 20 into $100, 100 into 50, 100 into $200 or things like that, yes, you are ready to start using big money. It is always better to make a mistake with the $10 versus you making a mistake with the $5,000 or $10,000. Understand? I cannot teach you how to trade. Nobody can. You will learn how by making mistakes. That's how you learn how to trade. Okay, I can't teach you. Nobody can't. So yeah, that's the way you do it. Anyways, now let's go look at my my trades positions right quick. First, we are going to start with Bydfi. You guys know that's where I keep my quant and KASPA trades. Okay, that's I have two of them right there. As you can see today, I am still almost looks like it's going sideways. $16,000 in profit on both of them. Now, if you look at my like see what I told you right here. They are giving right now $8,000 if you sign up using those links below. But anyways, it's up to you. Now, looking at my contracts. See, Quant is already running, just like I told you guys. At the start of this morning, it was sitting at the what, $101 or $105. Look at it now. Quant is already up. It has started to run. Quant is up. What's the price right now? Excuse me. Oh my God. Oh, sorry about that. Let me put that up there. Quant QNT. Quant is $116 right now. Okay, so yeah, it has started to run. So let's see what it does. Anyways, now if you look at my KASPA, I am still down 38%, looking better than it was yesterday due to this little Christmas rally we're having. I am still down 38%, which is $2,700. Again, I'm not worried about this. I'll tell you guys, I will show you this account in 6 figures. We got 6 to 8 months to go, and you will see it. Now, looking at my Quant, on Quant, I am up 19%. You guys remember just yesterday or so, I was still down like negative or close to negative. But today I am up 20%, which is $2,000 in profit. So yeah, Quant is taking off. Everything is happening the way it's supposed to happen. Okay, so everybody else looking at me right now like, oh yeah, your KASPA is down. Like, look, listen. I told you guys, I don't care about what price is doing in the immediate short term. Because look, as soon as KASPA goes all the way back up there to 25 cents, this position you're looking at right now, negative 38, it will be up 70%. And this will make me $5,000. See that? It's inevitable that KASPA would not go to $1. It will get there. And by the time we get to $1, this position will be up 706%. And this will be worth $50,000. I told you guys. So like everybody keep comparing it to Cardano at $4. Okay, look at this. $4. This position will be up 3,200%, and this will be worth $233,000. We're getting there. It is going to happen, guys. And if it gets to my prediction, as I think KASPA will go to $10, we get there. This position will be 8,300%. And that will be $599,000. So yeah, everybody running for the hill. Nobody wants to look for the positions. That's up to you guys. For me, all I do, I have my positions in, and I will sit tight and watch this thing unfold. Again, even if price goes down, I don't care, because you guys already know I am a very aggressive trader. On KASPA right now, as you can see, I trade at 50x. Okay, 50x, which means my liquidation 6 cents. I don't think price is going back down to 6 cents. But 6 cents is what it is. And now for my Quant, again, 50x, my liquidation $40. Again, I don't think price is going down there. So yeah, it's up to you. Whatever you want to know. Like I said, not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. Now, looking at my Phemex account, what is my Phemex right quick? Right here. On my Phemex account is almost the same story, because like I told you guys, exchanges that would allow me to scale my trades up, I don't wait. I just put in my trade and scale them up no matter what the price is doing. Here I am up 13,200. Okay, as you can see right there, just the same thing. Here I'm trading KASPA and Jasmy. Okay, as you can see, my positions here, they are both of them in red. Yeah, but Jasmy is doing a lot more, way better than KASPA. Here I am still down 3%, which is $332. And for my KASPA, I am down 47%, which is $2,600. Again, I don't really care whatever price does. The reason is, again, I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. Okay, as you can see right there. I trade at 50x, and I scale them up so much that my liquidation on Jasmy, for example, is less than a cent. So what are the odds to see the Jasmy price crashing less than a cent? I don't think we are going back there. We're in a bull run. And for KASPA, the same thing, 7 cents. Okay, as you can see right here, 7 cents. What are the odds of KASPA going back down to 7 cents? So yeah, you looking at those things, and I'm telling you, I am for Bydfi and Phemex. I don't worry, I have my positions already there. And this again, I will show you this account in 6 figures in 6 to 8 months, and you will see it. Okay, so yeah, I'm ready on this side. Now, the only one I'm looking for entry positions are going to be on my Margex. Okay, like I told you guys, Margex, I have a problem with them because they don't let me scale up my they don't let me scale up my positions. Therefore, here you have to be careful when you enter, because like that way you don't choose an entry position where you get liquidated. Okay, so yeah, here I am eyeing at KASPA. I want to enter 2 positions on KASPA, and I want to enter positions on Jasmine, but yet I am still waiting to see how the market is reacting. Okay, as you can see today, they're having that little pump. Like I said, man, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to look. Okay, pay attention to see what happens. Maybe something drastic happens, and then yeah, I will enter position. But for now, what I have here are 3 orders, okay, waiting to be filled. Okay, like I said, 2 orders on KASPA and 1 order on Jasmine. Okay, I'm waiting for Jasmine to drop at 2.5 cents. 2.5 cents. I want my order to fill in and see what happens. And for KASPA, I have orders at 10 cents. I think I'm going to change that to 10.5 or 10.3 cents. I will do that later. But as you can see, the reason is as follows. Okay, look at, for example, Jasmine. Like I told you guys, Jasmine, I am eyeing Jasmine at 60 cents if their lockup did not go good. So at 60 cents, we are looking at a profit of $229,000 if this order gets filled in, which again, like I said, I'm monitoring the market. If it doesn't get filled in, I will just enter it manually. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. But if their lockup goes good, we are looking at Jasmine probably 1.3 or 1.4. At there, we're gonna have us $389,000. Okay, just that's things that I'm monitoring. It's a risk that I'm willing to take, and hopefully it gets there. For KASPA, let's say one of them, like I said, you guys still thinking price is not going to do this, not going to do that. Okay, let's just say 25 cents. This order will make me $29,000 when it gets filled in. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Things like this. Okay, but we already know at $1, KASPA will get there. This order will make me $179,000 at $1. Okay, at my price prediction, or let's see, at like a lot of people are saying, $4. It will make me $779,000. Okay, but at my price prediction, which I think KASPA will get and will tear through $10, this order will make me come on, there we go again. Let me let me restart this app one more time. I don't know why Phemex always do that, but on the computer they work perfectly. Okay, so let's go here. Let me open that up right quick and open here and go to trades and go to orders, and I will take this one out and let's put in $10, and let's go back here. Come on, I don't know why it's doing this. Like, it's not populating stuff right quick, but normally it will show you. It will show you like it will make you probably around like 1.7 or 1.8 million dollars. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, a lot of people might not be looking at stuff like that. Might not even be showing you like, okay, if you make if you take this trade, this is what's going to happen. But regardless, this kind of risk is what I take. Okay, I don't wait. Let me go back here real quick. I don't wait, and as you can see, I have 2 of them open just in case if I need money for something. And let's say KASPA is up 25-30 cents and I need money for something, I could just close one of the position, use the money, and keep the other one open. Okay, that's how I do my things. Anyways, guys, there you have it. The pump you're looking at right now, I'm not convinced. I'm gonna still be on the sideline watching what's happening. If it's real, if it gets real, then yeah, I will enter positions on Margex. If not, I will just wait and get see what's going on. Okay, anyways, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, again, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And also, you can also share these videos. That way other people with millionaire minds like you and me can see this and the family can grow. Plus, you never know what you learn from somebody else commenting. Okay. That being said, again, thank you very much for watching, and please take very good care of yourself until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.